Good morning, students. Welcome to our online video class of chemistry. We have learned about voids. Next, we are going to discuss about packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. In whatever way the constituent particles such as atoms, molecules or ions are packed, there is always some free space in the form of voids. And the packing efficiency is the percentage of total space filled by the particle. And packing efficiency is calculated using the equation total volume occupied by the sphere divided by volume of unit cell into 100. Packing efficiency in simple cubic lattice. In a simple cubic lattice, the atoms are located only on the corner of the cube. In primitive or simple cubic lattice, the particles or atoms are present along each corner of the cube, and the particle touches each other along the edge. The particles touch each other along the edge as shown here. Let us assume the edge length of the cube as A. We know that in a cube, all the edges have equal length. Then every sphere has radius r. This is the radius. Then the edge length. Here the edge length is A. We assume here edge length as A. Then we can relate the radius with A. Here A, the edge length is the total of the radius here. Then A equal to R, or we can say the radius of an atom is half the side of the simple cubic lattice. Now we are going to calculate the packing efficiency. What is the volume of a cube? That is A cube. And volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of the cubic unit cell equal A cube. If we substitute the value of A, we get A cube equal to R cube, that is equal to 8R cube. Since a simple cubic unit cell contains only one atom, the number of atoms present per unit cell of simple cubic lattice is 1. The volume of the occupied space equal 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then packing efficiency. What is packing efficiency? Packing efficiency equals volume of one atom divided by volume of cubic unit cell into 100. Here volume of one atom equals 4 by 3 pi r cube into 1. 1 is the number of atoms present per unit cell of simple cubic lattice divided by volume of the cubic unit cell. What is the volume of cubic unit cell here? 8R cube. If we substitute the values here, we get 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 8R cube into 100 equal pi by 6 into 100, which is equal to 52.36%. Thus, 47.6% volume is empty. Packing efficiency in HCP, hexagonal close packing and cubic close packing CCP structures. Packing efficiency of both structures are same. For calculating the packing efficiency, we are considering only one face here, that is ABCD. You can see a triangle in it, ABC. In triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to BC square plus AB. Here AC is assumed to be as B. It is the diagonal length. And AB and BC are edges. We assume the edge length as A. If we substitute these values in this equation, we get BC square equals A square plus A square, which is equal to 2A square. Then B equals root 2A. If R is the radius of the sphere, we find B equals 4R. That is equal to root 2A. Or A equal 4R by root 2, which is equal to 2 root 2R. We can also write R equals A by 2 root 2. We know that each unit cell in CCP structure has effectively 4 spheres. Then total volume of 4 spheres equals 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Because the volume of one sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then volume of 4 spheres become 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of the cube is A cube. Here A is given by 2 root 2R. Then packing efficiency equals volume occupied by 4 spheres in the unit cell divided by total volume of the unit cell into 100. Here volume occupied by 4 spheres in the unit cell is 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by total volume of the unit cell, that is 2 root 2 r all cube. Then substituting these values, we get the packing efficiency as 74%. Packing efficiency in body-centered cubic structure. You have learnt how the particles or atom are arranged in body-centered cubic lattice. In body-centered cubic lattice, the particles are arranged at each corner of the cube as well as at the center of the body of the cube. Now we are going to calculate packing efficiency. Triangle EFT is a right angle triangle. According to Pythagoras theorem, FT square equals EF square plus ED square. Let us assume FT has B, small letter B, and ED and EF are edges. So, in a cube, all the edges have equal length. Let us assume ED and EF as small letter A. ED equals EF equal small letter A. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, B square equals a square plus a square. That is equal to 2a square. And in triangle AFD, this is AFD. Let AF be assumed as C, small letter C. We know that FD equal B. FD equals B. And AD is, here AD is edge length. AD equal A. Then C square equals B square plus A square. Pythagoras theorem, AF square equals FD square plus AD square. Then we can write it as C square equal B square plus A square. We get C square equals 3A square. Then C equals square root of 3A square. The square of A square equal A. Thus we can write this equation as root 3A. C is the body diagonal. We know that has the sphere at the center. This is the sphere at the center. Touches the sphere at corners. Therefore, the diagonal, body diagonal C equal 4R. That is root 3A equal 4R. A equal 4R by root 3. Therefore, volume of unit cell. What is the volume of unit cell? A cube. A cube equal, substitute the value of A. What is A? A equal 4R by root 3. If we substitute here this, we get 4R by root 3 all cube, which is equal 64 R cube by 3 root 3. BCC. In BCC, the number of atoms present per unit cell is 2. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then volume occupied by 2 spheres in the unit cell equals 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. And total volume of the unit cell, which we find out before. What is that? 64 by 3 root 3 r cube. Then substitute the values. We get 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by 64 3 root 3 r cube into 100 equal 68%. Therefore, the packing efficiency in BCC lattice is 68. Packing efficiency of BCC equals pi root 3 by 8 into 100, which is equal 68%. That means 68% is occupied and 32% is vacant. In the case of HCC, CCP or FCC lattice, packing efficiency equal pi root 2 by 6 into 100, which is equal 74%. Here 74% is occupied. 26% is vacant. In the case of simple cubic lattice, the packing efficiency is pi by 6, which is equal 52%. 52% is occupied and 48% is vacant.